how do I make people discover my business, be it product or service, online or offline? That is what we want to discuss in this video today. Very simple. You have to do marketing. You have to do serious marketing. And if you're a craftpreneur, I did like to let you know that producing the product is just one part of the game. Marketing your product is another part of the game. And you have a choice. It's either you source your marketing to marketers, professional marketers, or you learn the skill yourself and you make good use of it. Now, if you want to source the marketing um, aspect of your business to a marketer, a professional marketer, then you must be ready to share your profits with them. However, marketing is a skill, a very high valuable skill that once you learn it, you it will do you well, it will do you good because majority of the challenges, major challenges that small businesses have is knowing how to attract people to their business. I mean, if you have a business and people do not recognize your business and patronize your product or service, then you are not in business. So, I'm going to unveil certain truths that may not be popular and you may not like the sound of that, but I am a coach that doesn't tell or sugarcoat the truth or sugarcoat the truth just because I want you to be attracted to my business. No, it's better I tell you the truth. So, first off, you must know that marketing your product as a beginner takes time. Yes, before my business was being recognized by people, customers online, before I started getting inquiries, before I started enrolling students into my business and also selling my products, I was without customers for a period of 6 months to 1 year. Yes. But again, I have been properly tutored. I have attended a lot of business schools that teach me the nitty gritty of what is obtainable in the market and how to promote my products. Before you get started with anything, you should be taught. You should go to someone that is into this thing and knows, you know, much more than you do. So I've been taught and I've been told that these are the processes I need to go through, and these are the things I should expect. And after a while, this is what to expect. I did all what I had to do, knowing that it's just a matter of time. If I'm doing the right thing, I would definitely start seeing results. And that is exactly what I want to let you know. First and foremost, if you're an absolute beginner that is getting started, especially online, when you're doing content marketing, you have to pay attention to SEO techniques. I've said it before on my channel, but I think I should say it again because these are the things I'm doing for my business and I'm seeing results. And it's exciting to express, my experiences or share my experiences rather. So I'm excited to share my experiences with my followers because I'm coming from an informed place. I'm not just speaking as someone who is just giving information and I've not experienced what I'm talking about. So that's that. Now, I had to, I did a lot of content marketing because, first and foremost, that's the way to go if you want to be successful online. You have to engage in content marketing. You don't just post for posting's sake, there's a strategy to it. There's a strategy to it, and because you're putting those things in place, you are looking forward for the result. So if you're not getting the result, it means you're not doing the right thing. Then you have to go back to the drawing board and start all over again. So first and foremost, you have to pay attention to SEO techniques, and you have to be consistent with it. Now, SEO techniques helps you to be discovered worldwide. I mean, I get people coming into my business from outside of my country. Yes. And that's the beauty of SEO techniques, especially when you're doing it properly. And then before you know it, it picks up. So you get customers coming to you from your business, your country, I beg your pardon. Get people coming to you from your country and outside of your country. Now, that is in itself one aspect because people can come to your business, but they will not convert. Now, what converts them to customers? What converts them to paying you for the services you offer? In fact, making them trust you enough to give you their hard-earned money without even knowing you, like knowing you physically, is how you relate with them. A lot of small business owners are very, very poor relationship is so bad. Man, it's so bad. Customer relationship, you have to go and learn. It's a skill. You have to go and learn it. If you're not ready to learn it, please employ somebody that knows what they're doing. Thankfully, these are skills I have built down through the years, and it's helping me because, of course, I'm a trained customer professional also. And again, I'm a trained content producer. So these are things you need to bear in mind. And then you need to learn how to be organized. You have to organize your services or your product and present it in the light in which it should be presented. I mean, I get people coming to me and they say, wow, I just know that you have what I'm looking for. So, in a nutshell, these are the things you need to put in place, and you have to be ready to wait, and be ready to wait to see the result. It's not something that happens overnight. See, good success does not happen overnight. I mean, when you give birth to a child, you don't expect that child to start running and walking the next day. So what I'm trying to say is that certain things take time. It does take time, and you have to get used to the fact that good success, takes time. There is something called process. Now, in Artisan Skill Center, I do not sell the hustle culture to my students because when you have this hustle mentality, you would not see success. You will just keep, grinding and grinding, and there is no success. Instead, we talk about the process of growth. The process of growth are in stages, and when you go through them, you're bound to see results in the long run. I hope I've been able to educate you and open your mind on what to do to be able to start seeing results in your business in terms of attracting your ideal customers to you. Because yes, it happens. It's very real. It's real. Aside from the fact that, I also use um, paid advert, and that's another thing. If you can learn the skill of advertising on social media, that's another ball game altogether. What social media does, paid advertising does, is that it helps you get in front of your customers faster than if you're doing organic marketing.